Call on Miss, is it Julka Lu Aguilar, o mga pinsan, Aguilar din. And of course, Mr. Reynaldo Hugo Jr., our best man. We will start with our maid of honor, and then after that, the best man. Sir, let's start with you, Julka. Go ahead, please.
Message na? Okay. Okay na.
All right, go ahead, maid of honor.
May sasabihin ako. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Eto na. Speech na ng Maid of Honor. Okay, thank you po pala sa host natin na si Paulo for the introduction. Again, sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ang pangalan ko po is Julka, and hindi lang po ako yung Maid of Honor. But I'm also the older sister of Hanika, or mas kilala siguro ninyo siya sa pangalang Kakay. Sabi ni... Medyo kinakabahan ako. Okay. Sabi ni Kakay, bawal daw ang impromptu. Okay? First time kong maging maid of honor. So, saan pa ba ako manghihingi ng advice kundi kay ChatGPT? Okay, so ang sabi ni ChatGPT, okay, after ko daw introduce ang sarili ko, I have to share personal connection with the bride. Simula pagkabata, hanggang ngayon, sa dami ng connection natin kay, pag naiisip kita, lagi kong naiisip yung moment mo nung board exam. Naka-plaster niya siya sa utak ko and it's very clear. Grabe, hindi pa ganun kadali ang video call noon at mahina pa ang internet. Noong nangyaring umiiyak ka sa telepono, sa akin nung nasa Dubai ako. I don't know if you remember, na-overthink mo ng mga bagay-bagay nun. Sabi mo, nahihirapan ka pagsabay ng household works at ibang mga life happenings, given dalawa lang kayo ni Kokoy sa Manila that time, while doing reviews. And at the same time, tinatry mo kumatch up sa mga kasama mo sa pagre-review. Kasi you felt ang dami na nilang alam and wala ka pang kaalam-alam at malapit na ang exam. As an older sister, I might not fully understand how you feel, but I do know how to help you manage your thoughts and action and redirect you to what's important. Hindi ko na i-elaborate on how we did it because I think yung result naman ang nagmamatter. You passed, and I am so proud. Never even doubted the result. Why I'm highlighting this scene? Kasi this is how you are. Not a weak person, but a person who forgets how smart, hardworking, and madiscarte you are when outside noise is so loud. I understand that you overthink of things because it is important. People might think now that you're nonchalant, but both of us, or should I say three of us, including now your husband, know that you care more than anyone in our family. That's why you are always the one I trust. And I know you will continue to do the same for AJ, now more than ever, as you begin this journey together as one. Now let's talk about the relationship following the typical structure of ChatGPT. I was not there when they started the relationship, pero I'm lucky enough to witness in person how they are when we live together in Dubai. Kakay is a Disney princess, and she thinks that she deserves all the best thing in the world. Ika nga niya lagi, deserve ko to. And AJ is a very simple person who knows where to put his priorities and a very practical guy. Pero when it comes to Kakay, he put her first. And he perfectly delivers ang the serve concept ni Kakay. Believe na believe ako sa'yo. Salute, brother-in-law. What makes both of you special is your openly raw, innocent, fun, and transparent way of treating each other. And how straightforward you both communicate. No sugarcoats. just two individuals always choosing each other. Yun naman ang importante eh. To be you and to be accepted as you are and to working out each other's indifference. Not all relationship has this, but both of you makes it looks easy to have. Now, to the most handsome man in this room for today only. As long as sa kanya lang nakatitig, of course. Hindi, charis. Ano to? Finally? Laban na ito? Go, grow, glow na? Okay. I mean, kailangan pa ba kitang i-welcome sa pamilya? Eh, mas parang kapatid pa kita kaysa kay Kakay. Wala akong masabi pagdating sa'yo kasi nasa'yo na ang lahat. Jokes aside, totoo naman. Nasa'yo na ang lahat ng kailangan ni Kakay para sumaya siya sa lifetime na to. Naniniwala ako palagi na kahit na sinong piliin ng mga kapatid ko, wala akong against doon. Kasi I trust them on choosing their partners in life. Also, it's their life. Walang approval na kailangan. Pero kung magkakaroon man, walang bias. 100/10. Alam mo yan, Toy. Walang bias. Yes, you made our lives easy with your existence. It's not even your role, but know that I'm always thankful. Para sa closing message, pahiram muna ako ng linyahan mo, Toy, sa Dubai. Ha? Ngayong mag-asawa na kayo, laging alalahanin, ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi maaaring paghiwalayin ng tao. Ayun, congratulations and I wish you all the best in the world.
Thank you very much, our maid of honor. Now,